South Africa is dominating in literally everything. South Africa is the world's strongest man, the world's strongest woman, the world's #1 surfer, and the world's best master pool player. We also have the reigning middleweight UFC champion and the reigning bridgerweight world boxing champion. A South African also won a gold medal at the International Thai and Martial Arts Games a couple of weeks ago. Plus, we're champions in archery, tug of war, and even gold panning. I didn't even know that was a sport, but I'll take it. The South African dance crew recently won gold in a global hip-hop competition. The world's #1 mountain bikers in both the men's and women's divisions are both South Africans. Our men's indoor hockey team are currently ranked 6th in the world, the highest ranking of an African team ever. This comes after they won a bronze medal at the World Cup, also the first African team to do so. We are currently the Women's African Cup of Nations champions, the Under-20 men's AFCON champions, and Rugby World Cup champions. Bafana are currently on an 18-game unbeaten streak and could qualify for the FIFA World Cup. And our relay teams and sprinters have been breaking multiple records and winning medals over the past couple of months. And it's not just sports. South Africa recently won gold at the Chelsea Flower Show, so we also have the best plants in the world. A young South African lady won the Miss Teen Universe the other day, and a filmmaker from Limpopo won the Best African Film Award at the Cannes Film Festival in France. And guys, there is so much more. I literally just couldn't fit everything in this video. South Africa is taking over the world.
There's Simbine, the fastest man in the world this year. Simbine, but he gets away with it, going really well. Omanyala at the moment. Omanyala third from the top, easing away. Simbine too, looking strong through the second half. Simbine the strongest. Omanyala second, and between them, Fred Curley a close third. 9.95, and with a very slight following wind. That is great running.
Full of running, Sekadiso, 157 outdoors, Olympic finalist, goes into the lead. Sekadiso from South Africa, trying to push on the front and a ferocious pace here. Audrey Barrow, who she judges correctly, the Swiss woman, is going fast. Sigo Daguma, the defending champion, is not the proven Sekadiso, and South Africa is going to take a wonderful first medal for her nation, and it's going to be gold. Get a tune for silver, and Patricia Silva came through for the bronze medal in the closing moments. What a well-judged race from the Portuguese athlete. Sekadiso can hardly believe what she's just done. She's done some...
Argentina, go home, sleeping. South Africa win, go home sleeping. Power of pop, you see, muscles, you have no chance, game over. Yalla khalas, congratulations South Africa. Next year, same power. Yalla, have a nice day. Hey, South
difficulty there, standing in the full twisting double strike, going across the diagonal in the middle of the routine.